Hello everyone, I'm Sarisuri Vastevan. So, this database is designed for an online shopping system, which is we are doing online systems for online shopping system for Temu. And before inserting any data, we first have to create the table using create table. So, the first table is named the user table, which is going to store the information about system users such as customers and administrators. Next, this table will also store the user details like name, email, password, phone number, and address. Okay, next we are going to category table. So this each category has a category ID as the primary key. And then this category name is mandatory while the description is optional. This table helps organize products logically, such as electronics or fashions. Next is the product table. This product table stores details of the products available in the system. Each product is uniquely identified by product ID. It also stores the product name and description, price, stock quantity, and also rating. The stock quantity cannot be negative, and also the category ID is a foreign key that links each product to a category. Next is the order table. The order table records customer orders, and each order has a unique order ID as the primary key. It stores the order date, status, and total amount. This user ID foreign key links the order to the customer who placed it. And then we have order item table. The order item table handles the relationship between orders and products. So each order item also has a unique order item ID and it stores the quantity and price of each product in an order. The quantity also must be greater than zero, cannot be negative. The order ID is a foreign key links to the order table. The product ID, foreign key link, sorry. And then this table is used to manage many to many relationships where one order can contain many products and one product can appear in many orders. Uh, Next, we have finally, we have the payment table. The payment table stores the payment information for orders and each payment has a unique payment ID. It records the payment method, payment status, and payment date. The order ID foreign key links each payment to a specific order. This ensures that payments are only made for existing orders. Okay, so let's run this create table thing. Okay, so this is the final table that is shown after we run the code. We have a table for category, order, order item, product, and user. Okay, so let's check the category table. Okay, so uh, when we run the code, it will show us six tables. So let's go through each table. The first is category table. Okay, this is the category table. Next is order table. Okay, this is the order table. Next is the order item table. This is the order item table. Okay, payment table. Okay, product table. Okay, so finally, this is the user table. Okay, that is the six tables that our code shows. And that's it from me. Thank you.
So we move to insertion part. Firstly, we insert into user where we have our attribute user ID name, email, password, phone number, address, and role. So basically, I already insert on these two rows of data. So because I want to check it first. So let's see the result. So as you can see here, there's our relation of the user, and there's a data we insert to. Move to another relation, which is we have a category. So category, we have category ID, category name, and description. So we have two rows to the data we insert. So uh, same as before, I already insert the data to check either is it okay or not. So let's see the result. So as you can see, our category ID have a one, two, category name, electronic and fashion, and the description. Move to the third one, we have product relation. So inside this relation, we have product ID, product name, description, price, stock quantity, rating, category ID, and user ID. So we have also two rows of data. So let's check. So as you can see here, so this is our relation for the product and the data we already insert. Move to the fourth one, which is the order relation. So we have here order ID, order date, order date, order status, total amount, and user ID. So we just have one data we insert as example. So let's see the result. So as you guys can see, order ID is one, order date 10 January 2026, order status confirmed, and total amount and user ID. We move to the another one, which is we have the order item. So inside this relation order item, we have order item ID, quantity, price, order ID, and product ID. So all these two rows we insert here, and as you guys can see, this is our order ID relation. So we already insert the data. Move to another one, the last one, which is the payment. So this payment relation, we have here payment ID, payment method, payment status, payment date, and order ID. So this is the data we insert, but I need to change this statement to repayment, and we run, and we can see here the payment ID, what payment method, credit card, payment status, paid, payment date, and order ID. That's all for me for the insertion part.
So hello, my name is Yashini and I'll be explaining this section of code. So this section of code demonstrates the use of update statement in SQL. An update is used to modify existing records in the table based on a specific condition. So for the first section is update product. So this statement updates the product table, and the set clause reduces stock quantity by 1, which represents 1 unit of the product being sold. So the condition where product ID equals 1 ensures that only the product ID 1, which is wireless earbuds, is affected. This is important to prevent changes to the stock quantity of other products. And the second one is to update the order status. So this statement updates the order table. It changes the order status from confirmed to ship, showing that the order has progressed to the next stage in the delivery process. The where order ID equals 1 condition ensures that only the specific order made by the customer is updated. So now I'll run the code. Okay, so for the product table, earlier the stock quantity was 50 and it reduced by 1 to 49. And as for the order table, as you can see now, the order status, it changed to shipped. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Abdul Rashid bin Abdul Ghani. My matrix number is 824CS0020. And this is our SQL coding lah for the project. So my part is cover for delete part and also select part, which for delete is for us to remove what is unnecessary lah. Basically, the all item that no need already will be deleted. So we will use we delete from order item and delete from product, which tell which ID is the not relevant anymore, and we delete it. And if we after we delete it, if we see back in the if we select the thing again, it should be empty anymore. As you can see in the result, there is nothing. So it means it's successfully delete. For my another part is about select. We have like 4 select. For the first one is the select P product name, P price, and C category name. Is we take it from the product P and join. So in here we display each product name and price together with its category name by joining product and category lah by this joining. So if we run this, and it's only show the product name, price, and category is a specific one lah based on the what we want to see. The next select is first. The next select is we want to see only 3 things: order ID, order date, and total amount. We take it from the order table and the user ID. We only want the row 1. The ID 1 is 1. So if we run this, my bad. Yeah, so we can only treat these 3, and the specific one is order ID 1 lah. We can see only here. And for the last one is we want to see 4 things only, which is order ID, product name, quantity, and price, which we take it from the order item, and we use both join what is it called, joining product of this thing. We take it from product and also order. When we run it, yeah, we can see this 4 thing. And I think that's all from my part. Thank you.